Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cellular data not working after updating iOS version. If you have just updated your iOS version and now your cellular data is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically this is not any issue of your updating iOS versions. It is just a issue, so you can easily fix that. So very first you have to make sure that you have enabled it and you have selected the correct SIM for your cellular data, and you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh all of your network settings, and after doing that it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you just have to open up your settings app here, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. Or if you find any pending software update, try to update your software, because sometime it might be that you have a pending software update, so you might get these type issues. And after that, if you are still having the same issues, so you just have to open up your settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings from here, then enter your passcode and reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. So in this way, it will reset all of your network setting, including your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your hotspot, and also your cellular data. So it will not delete your data or anything on from your iPhone. So you can easily try this, and after that, your all network issues will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix if your cellular data is not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.